pressure topic, there is one more subtopic it will be available. Pressure head. So, do you have any idea about pressure head? So, this is the notation of H. So, the formula for pressure head is P divided by W. So, this is the formula for find out the pressure head. Do you have any idea about pressure head? What is meant by pressure head? Yeah, anybody? Pressure head. Whether it will be right or wrong, you just your answer is very mandatory. Any one of you. Otherwise, I will pick the person. Pick the person.
Height of a fluid.
Yeah, very good person. Very good arrangement. Height of the fluid. Okay. So if you have taken any one beaker or tube, in that we just want to pour it in a water or certain form of liquid. Okay. So what is the level which can be occupied from the surface, from the minimum level of the liquid? This is the height. So this is a pressure head. The height of the fluid, which can be, is nothing but the pressure of the certain fluid. Yes, the pressure of the fluid, certain fluid, and the specific weight of the certain fluid. Okay, so that is the ratio between pressure and the specific weight. So what is the P which can be represented here? Pressure and the small w. Yes, it will be notation as what? Specific weight. That's all. So how much pressure which can be created or act as the surface of the certain liquid, and also what is the weight of the certain molecule? Yeah, specifically just taking any one molecule in the liquid for that particular weight of the certain molecule. That is called as what? Specific weight. These are the things we already studied in our previous class. Am I right or not? What is meant by specific weight, specific gravity, specific volume, those things. Am I right? So here this is a height, pressure head or height, which can be calculated through this formula. Okay. So this is very, very important. Okay. So after that, we are going to the topic viscosity. Yes, viscosity. So do you have any idea about viscosity? Yes.
It resists the flow of any liquid in a medium.
Yes, very good. So the viscosity is nothing but, as Hamsworthen told that no, the resistance of flow. Okay. So the resistance, how it will be the resistance which can it will be happening. Okay, when the liquid will be flow in any sort of what medium, like pipe, or if it will be storing in the container, any big container. This is the form of the flow. So whatever the medium. Okay, so in that the fluid which determines, okay, the resistance. So which determines the resistance of flow, okay, to a shear stress. How the shear, resistance will be happening? We have already seen that. Am I right? So if you have taken any sort of if you have taken any sort of what the medium of flow, the medium of flow is a lot of medium it is available. So there's a straight line pipe, or it will be bend type of pipes. It will be available. Elbow. If you are taking a elbow connection, no. Normally it can be bent. Am I right? So what is the difference between the straight line and if you are any flow, it will be bent. So how it will be different? The flow it will be different. Definitely, their pressure level definitely can be reduced at the bent pipe. Am I right or not? Here, if you are taking a straight line pipe, no, the flow will be happening like that.